Direct replacement. This hazard warning switch is made to match the fit and performance of the original switch on specific vehicle applications. Ideal solution. This switch is a reliable replacement for an original part that has failed due to fatigue. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This hazard warning switch is designed to match the appearance and function of the original switch on specified applications. Made of quality materials, it is engineered for reliable performance and durability. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Good cheap alternative. The product is good. I have a 99 GMC Sierra and it says before I bought it it wouldn't fit, but if it perfect, and I kind of like the black accents, but it was somewhat difficult to take out the old one because you have to pry up a clip on the steering wheel column for my truck and pull it out at the same time, but it works great. I had it for a month now with no problems.